Here's a quick guide to how you can get started and use Paperform to create beautiful, powerful solutions that make work and life easier, all with no code. Let's go.
When you log into Paperform, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. We built this as a way to save you time when it comes to viewing, managing, and organizing your Paperform creations. On the left, you can see your spaces. Once you've made some forms, they'll be sorted alongside them. There are two main ways to create a new form. You can start from scratch with a blank canvas, or use one of our expert design templates to get a head start. Paperform is the perfect mix of brains and beauty. With the powerful visual editor, you can add questions, format text, and insert media by typing directly onto the page. And while it looks simple up front, there is some serious brain power lurking beneath the surface. You can quickly add what you need, from questions and images through to videos, and curate a solution completely unique to your needs. You can quickly add a new field with slash commands. Simply type a / to open a list of options, or continue typing to add whatever field you need. You can edit questions directly in the preview and add more questions by clicking on a new line and using the / command or clicking the Add Question button. Change the type of question at any time using the drop down to the right of the question title. Just drag and drop to move questions around and reorder them however you like. In the Configure menu, you can adjust question settings like making a question required, setting a default response, or turning conditional logic on. Each individual question type has options specific to that field. For example, in a text field, you can allow multiple lines of text or set a minimum or maximum length. While in an appointment field, you can connect your Google Calendar and define your availability. And within the product field, you can upload stock, set prices, and manage inventory for your online store. Use our calculations field to create Excel-style formulas to make forms smarter and more interactive. Here we have used the date subfunction to determine the age of our submitter. Paperforms are extensions of your brand, and we give you complete control over how they look and behave, so you can accurately reflect your business anywhere it's represented online. Head to the theme menu to customize how your Paperform looks. Here, you can build your own unique theme to match your brand or personality. You'll see a live preview of your form as you edit the font, change text colors, adjust the background color, or change the entire form experience by switching between a standard form view and guided mode, where questions are presented one at a time. Dive into the typography and UI elements menus to make even more changes to your form's design, from selecting different typeface for headings and question titles to adding a progress bar, editing the submit button, or even adding a background image or video to your form. Speaking of, you can add images to Paperforms with / commands too. Upload directly from your device, insert images and GIFs from Unsplash and Giphy, or access Adobe Creative Cloud without leaving the app. When you're done, use our image editor to crop, edit, and annotate your images with a few clicks. View and submit your Paperform before you share it with the world. You can copy and share the URL directly, or grab a code from the Share menu to embed your form on a web page. The Configure tab lets you personalize how your Paperform looks when you share it online. And from the After Submission tab, you can set up tailored email sequences, create and display individualized success pages using logic, and generate custom PDF receipts and reports that you can attach to emails, share through integrations, or download from your form's submissions page. You can integrate Paperform with other apps to automate workflows, bring your tools under one roof, and free up time that could be better spent elsewhere, whether that means concentrating on the other parts of your business or hanging with friends and family. The Integrations and Webhooks menu displays all our integrations. To set up a direct integration, click the app you want to connect to, select an action, and follow the prompts. To send form data to Google Sheets, you just select a spreadsheet, map the responses to the relevant columns, and run a test to make sure everything's working. Click Finish Setup, and you're good to go. Now, Google Sheets will be updated automatically with submission data from your Paperform. The integration now appears at the top of the page where you can toggle it on and off, make edits, or delete it altogether. Other popular integrations include adding subscribers to MailChimp, sending messages to a Slack channel, creating tasks in Monday.com, and updating a database in Notion. Don't see the app you're looking for? Add webhooks or connect to a third-party integration tool like Make or Zapier to build custom workflows that automate your business and make manual processes a thing of the past. Once your form is live, submissions flow through the Results tab and can also be viewed from the dashboard. Here, you can look at submissions and partial submissions, generate reports, and measure analytics like how many people viewed your form, how many people responded, and what the completion rate is. You can also download all of your responses to CSV to analyze results in Google Sheets or Excel. We've only scratched the surface of what you can achieve with Paperform. It's a flexible digital Swiss Army knife with dozens of features aimed at simplifying your work and life. The possibilities are truly limitless. You can use Excel-style calculations to make forms smarter and more interactive, design personalized customer experiences with logic, take bookings and automatically manage your schedule, build an online storefront to sell your products and services, and much, much more.
But now it's time for you to get started with your own Paperform creation. Check out our Help Center for more helpful resources or use our live chat to speak to one of our friendly form experts. We can't wait to see what you create.